everybody, and today we will be making chicken enchiladas. The ingredients for this recipe are onions, peppers, chicken, cheese, beans, passata, coriander, wraps and garlic. We've got the pan in, it's hot and there's some oil in, and now we're gonna cook. Just add some onions into the pan. Add the peppers into the pan. Add some coriander to it. And squeeze the garlic into there. Yeah, I need help. It looks really so good. And then just mix. Then we add some pepper. And some salt. And then just stir it about. Now while that's cooking, we're gonna cook the chicken. Put that in. So with the chicken nearly cooked, we're gonna add it to the vegetables. Gonna add some beans in there. Gonna stir the beans and the veg about and the chicken. Then we're gonna put some passata in. And then yet again we're gonna stir it about with all the ingredients. So while that is simmering together, we are gonna make the sauce. So add some passata in there.
Yep.
Put some garlic into there too.
Stack off. Nope. Cool.
And then add some coriander to it. And the last of all, salt and pepper. And mix all that about. Well, that has been cooking for about 15 minutes. The oven is on at about 190 degrees. And now we're gonna wrap. Just gonna add some salt into there. And throw the edges and wrap it up. Okay. I'm just gonna here, like that. So we've made 4 wraps, and now we're gonna add the sauce to it.
Good job.
And then we put some cheese in on top of it. A bit more. And add some coriander. Now we are gonna put this in the oven to let it cook for 20 minutes.
Complete, well done.
So that's been 20 minutes, and let's see how we're looking. Yummy!